All right, I'm going to talk about how to convert DateTime format in Power BI to a format of your choosing. So I was looking this up myself and a bunch of videos talking about complicated ways. I ended up stumbling upon a way that is real quick and easy. You don't need to go into Power Query or anything. It's just going to be a couple clicks. And so this is a thread here on Power BI, and a bunch of people are asking the same question. This one says, how do I add a new date format? I need to use year, month, date. And so that's what we're going to do right here, and I'm going to add hours on the end of it to keep it in DateTime format. And so let's come over here and first talk about what is going to be wrong, what's not going to work. And so if we were to take this DateTime right here, this is in just a normal format, and I'm going to create a new column. All right, and so if you were to try to use the format here in DAX and say, okay, I'm going to format this to be the structure that I want, so I'm going to use year, month, date, and then hour. You would think that would work, and we let it run, and it would return this, and this would be great. But you'll notice up here that the data type is now text. So if we go to turn this back to DateTime, we're going to get an error saying cannot convert value of type text to type date. So two ways that we can do this. The first is right from this tab here, we're going to come right up to the format, and we're going to enter in the format that we want. So it's going to be 4 Ys, 2 Ms, 2 Ds, and then space HH. I'm going to hit enter, and then that'll convert it to the type that we want. We can also do this by going to the model button there, and you can see that when we enter that, it automatically changed this down here, but if this were in normal time, it would look like that right there. And so from this normal format, we would just choose this, hit custom, and it would create 2 boxes right down here. And then to enter in that format, we just want to enter it into the second box down here. And so we got 4 Ys, 2 M's, 2 D's, and then a space HH. I'm going to hit enter, and it'll also convert it over here. You can see we're back to that same format.